Xiaomi 14T Pro versus Huawei Mate 70. The Xiaomi 14T Pro features a stunning 6.67 inches display that offers vibrant colors and immersive visuals, perfect for gaming and streaming. Meanwhile, the 70 also boasts a 6.7 inches screen, delivering a similarly engaging experience. Both devices shine with an impressive screen-to-body ratio, ensuring you get the most out of your viewing pleasure. When it comes to photography, the Xiaomi 14T Pro stands out with its triple camera setup, highlighted by a 50-megapixel wide lens that captures stunning details and vibrant colors. The Huawei Mate 70, on the other hand, takes the lead with its versatile 50-megapixel wide lens and an impressive 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, offering 5x optical zoom for those distant shots. Both phones promise exceptional photography, but the Huawei's zoom capability gives it an edge for capturing far-off subjects. The Xiaomi 14T Pro offers a range of configurations, including a massive 1TB variant, ensuring you have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The Huawei Mate 70 matches this with a 1TB option as well, providing similar flexibility. Both devices cater to power users who demand high storage capacities, making them ideal for heavy multitasking and media storage. The Xiaomi 14T Pro impresses with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, delivering sharp images and vibrant details. The Huawei Mate 70 closely follows with a resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels, ensuring that both devices provide a top-notch visual experience. Users can expect crisp graphics, whether they're gaming or watching videos on either device. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 14T Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, which combines performance and efficiency for seamless multitasking. The Huawei Mate 70 features the Kirin 9Now10 chipset, designed for optimized performance and energy efficiency. Both processors promise lightning-fast speeds, but the Xiaomi's architecture may provide a slight edge in gaming and processing tasks. The Xiaomi 14T Pro packs a robust 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day without interruptions. The Huawei Mate 70 takes it a step further with a slightly larger 5,300 mAh battery, providing even more longevity. Both devices are built to keep you connected longer, making them perfect for heavy users who are always on the go. For those selfie lovers, the Xiaomi 14T Pro features a 32-megapixel front camera that captures stunning self-portraits with impressive detail. In contrast, the Huawei Mate 70 offers a 13-megapixel ultrawide selfie camera, perfect for group shots and wider angles. While the Xiaomi excels in clarity, Huawei provides versatility for those social moments. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is crafted with a sleek glass front and back, complemented by an aluminum frame that exudes premium quality. The Huawei Mate 70 also features a glass front and an aluminum alloy frame, ensuring durability and style. Both devices are designed to impress, combining aesthetics with robust construction for everyday use. The Xiaomi 14T Pro utilizes the advanced MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, ensuring top-tier performance across all applications. The Huawei Mate 70, with its Kirin 9010 chipset, offers optimized performance tailored for efficiency. Both chipsets are built for speed, but Xiaomi's latest tech may provide a slight advantage in gaming scenarios. The Xiaomi 14T Pro showcases an AMOLED display with a dazzling 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth scrolling and gaming experiences. Meanwhile, the Huawei Mate 70 features a LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Both displays are stunning, but the Xiaomi's higher refresh rate may appeal more to gamers and content creators. When it comes to video recording, the Xiaomi 14T Pro supports 8K video capture, allowing for ultra-high-definition content creation. The Huawei Mate 70, while offering solid 4K recording capabilities, focuses more on stabilization and HDR features. For videographers, the Xiaomi's 8K capability opens a world of creative possibilities, setting it apart in this category. The Xiaomi 14T Pro comes in at an attractive price of $650, making it a compelling option for those seeking high-end features without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Huawei Mate 70 ranges from $760 to $960, which reflects its premium offerings. Both devices offer great value, but the Xiaomi provides a more budget-friendly entry into flagship territory.